Hey there, my name is Bradley J, and today I'm going to show you a wildly powerful automation on how to create a single project that has 23 tasks, some of which are subtasks that have descriptions all linked under a single page. You might be able to pull your notes in it from the rest of your system. We might be able to assign it the dates. We'll see. Let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so over here we are on a projects hub within the Life Hub. As you can see, you have the notes, tasks, projects, goals, and areas that make up the entire system for the Life Hub. Here we have a sales email campaign, and it's pretty simple. It gives you that how to design an email, what to talk about, final review, what to consider, how to launch. But let's get to the key point, shall we? Alright, if we click this button, press this to unleash a new campaign. Let's do it, shall we? And what this is going to do, I showed you first off the Projects Hub over here. If we come into it, you're going to see that there's nothing in the projects intake. That's because this new campaign automatically has tasks associated with it. It's still in the to-do stage, and as you can see, it's taken a little bit of time to load. So let's create let's go through what just happened. When I click this button, I had it create a project under the project template. So if you're in here, you can go to your templates right here. It's going to create it under this basis of a blank, no assigned template, as we can see here. But as we get down the list, the next thing is to create a new task and assign it to that project. Pretty cool. First task, and as you'll see down here, it gets pretty complicated pretty quick, but it follows the same general format and it's pretty easy to replicate. So 1.1 is a subtask, meaning the parent task is this task from the step 2. Over here, 1.2 from step 2. Still the same subtask of 1. As we continue on down, we'll see that there's a new main task, and 2.1 subtask from step 5. As you can see, keep on going down. 3, there's 3.1, keep it going down, keep it going down. 4, same thing, new page, 4.1. Give you a little description on how to help right there, right? Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Alright, and that's how you get your email campaign. Let's go look at the final product. So over here, this is our project page. You'll see that there's 24 open tasks. If we come down here, we will be able to assign a due date for that list. Well, today I'm going to import the list. On Monday, I'm going to segment it. I'm going to create the campaign after we've talked about it on Tuesday, so I'm going to assign it on Wednesday. But all of these have subtasks to allow you to really hone in your efforts from a single button and come in here with your team and figure out how you want to plan a specific campaign. Come in here, assign it to certain dates, and have it pop up to the rest of your system. And this is the entire project. We'll go email, pop it over there. But you're coming over to your system, you have a new project. I don't think we assigned a date to it, so let's go down here. Too many to show you here, but essentially that is the system. It should be in progress. Here's our new campaign. Boom, boom, boom. And as you can see, this system is robust enough to handle anything. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration. And a quick way to find anything is to go to your recent projects area. You'll see that the new campaign section, let's go to that, that's the one that we just created. And I'm going to make sure I give it a target deadline to ensure that we're not getting too lost in the weeds. We'll do April 1st, April Fools. But as you can see, all of the tasks are there. If I wanted to add new specific notes, I absolutely could. I am going to add the note from the window campaign 1, 2, and 3, just so I can have it down here. And yeah, come to it later. So that is the entire system to get to it in a single button. Not very complicated. This is the old campaign. Here's the button. Hope it made sense. There's a lot more on this in the written copy, so hope you enjoyed. Thanks.